What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is JR Boricua 7. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe, share, subscribe, and comment. Today's video is going to be about me installing a catcher can. What's a catcher can? Well, from my understandings, which I'm not a pro at this stuff, and this is my first time I'm going to be doing this. I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a backyard mechanic. It's like a little canister. Here it is right here. That catches all the impurities, I believe, from the oil. And what it does is it goes from the manifold to the back of the engine. One end goes to the back of the engine and the other one's to the manifold. And manifold and the back of the engine. And what it does is it collects it in here. And my suggestion is that, to you, is that every time you change your oil, you unscrew this part. This is going to be connected to the car via this bracket here. This bracket, and this, matter of fact, let me start with telling you the tools you're going to need. For this job, you're going to need a ratchet, 15 millimeter. I've got an extension and a screwdriver, and you're going to need a little bit of oil to try to slide these hoses into here. They don't have no clamps. They should have, but I don't know. I might get them later on because I don't trust that just being there. This side snaps in, so they don't need a clamp. So anyway, what comes in the kit, I bought it at Fast Tex. People that they charge a lot of money for their parts. So it comes with this, the bracket. This is the bracket that goes holding this onto the car. Two hoses for the manifold, which is a short one and a long one. Whatever works better for you, and the long one. It's just one long one. And like I said, the connector's on one end, and this is the other end that you're going to get here that has no clamps. So, and the oil I'm going to use to try to slide it in, which I don't think is going to be that difficult, is W40 silicone. Water resistant. Okay, so those are the parts you're gonna need, and I'm gonna explain to you what comes next. Okay, guys, this is the next part. Obviously, it's an important part. You got to take this cover off if you have it. It's very easy. Just unlatch this. That's the oil plug when you put your motor oil through. I'm gonna need two hands, but let me see. Okay, I got it one hand. You pull this off, bingo. That's how you have access to this part. But very important. Let me put this away. I don't scratch the car. Something that's very important. Always put this back. Always put the cap back in, no matter what you're doing, unless you're putting oil, obviously, because you don't want them to go in there and mess up your engine. Very expensive. Okay. We're gonna be clamping the bracket that holds the catcher can is gonna go here. So I made a mark because I think this is a part of the tension pulley, and I don't want to mess that up and then this be too loose or too tight. So I made a line to guide me where it's supposed to be at when I tighten it. And then the part we're gonna remove, we're gonna take out, is it's kind of dark. It's in here. It's this long piece right here. We're gonna just take this off. We're gonna press the little, it has like these little pinchers. You press that and it comes off. Same on this side. And that's okay, guys. It was kind of it was a pain in the ass to remove that piece. I had to remove this out of the way because I couldn't get my hand. It's tucked in there. You have to take this little latch and pull it. I don't know if you can see that on both sides. So after doing it on both sides, up there, you take this piece here, you set it to the side, you see? No, I didn't know that you have to you have to take this piece and push on it like this with your finger at the same time, pull back. It's a pain in the ass, but I got it out. My wife helped me. She had little hands, but she got the other one out for me. I got the harder one. Okay, guys. The bracket, like I said, is gonna go right here like this. So we gotta remove that screw. That's right there. Right there. And then you're gonna put it this way, not this way, this way. Common sense. Alright? So let's get the ratchet. Let's pray that I don't mess something up here. Can't be that hard. Okay, lefty loosey, righty tighty. I got it the wrong way already. Alright, I think I'm about to put this here for a minute.
That's what hold it.
I can't even see out of this thing, it's so dirty. Obviously, you're gonna have to take the whole screw out. I'm gonna try to do it without moving that belt, because I'm afraid that thing is gonna be off. I mean, I don't want it to loosen in any way whatsoever. Because then the car won't run right, and the belt could slide. You don't want that belt to slide off. That's the worst thing you want to do. The whole engine will go to pieces. Yep, with that burst there. Okay, that was easy. This damn screw is hot because I turned on the car to heat it up for a minute. There's no wash or anything that came with that, so I'm just gonna put it just like that. I hope that's just enough. Ooh, this thing is hot. Once you get a little tight, you bring it up. Wait a minute, I gotta loosen it up a little bit. Okay, bring it up, right there. You don't want it hanging, you want it nice and level. There it is. So far, so good. So now this is a piece, the part that I gather that it goes, I think it goes this way, no, this way, because you want to run the hose that way. And this is where you're going to need that Phillips screwdriver right here to take these screws off. It's not easy doing this one hand. Watch me drop the screw where I can't find it. That always happens to me. But I hope not today. Okay, I'm trying to clean the lens. I can't see, the screen. I can't see what I'm doing. I guess when you tie them up, just tie them hand tight, I guess. You don't have to be like tight into any poundage or whatever they call that. I am going to try to get clamps. Not try. I am going to get the clamps to clamp these hoses, because I don't know if they're going to be strong enough. I want these hoses clamped to this, and I'll show you in a minute what I'm talking about. All right. Here we go again. I'm going to put this one here. This stuff that I do is like therapy for me. I mean, I haven't been doing videos because of my health. I've been sick. I'm always sick with this pain on my side. And it stops me from doing the things I like to do. And I hate it, but I'm trying to work through these things, even though it's not easy. Only God knows how much pain I'm in right now. Now I can't get this screw in here. It's always one that gives you a hard time. I don't know why. Or maybe it's me. There it goes. Get this one first. This one's the loosest. I'm hoping that's how it goes. Let me go take another look to double check, because I try not. Sometimes I don't read the instructions, and that's how I Sometimes you don't read them. I see people throw them out. But that's how you screw up sometimes. Anyway, that's that. Now we gotta put the cables. I mean the hoses. These hoses here. You only need 1, 2, 3 you don't need. So give me a second, I'll be right back. I had to move it to do the job. Let me see which one works. If this one is good, we'll use this one. It's too long. That's why they got give you 2. I guess. Let me see. I don't know if it's still here. No, I think there is better. It doesn't go that way. It was this way. What the hell am I doing? See, and this I'm gonna leave it on the top. You see what the hell we gotta do to unsnap it next time. You gotta snap it like that. If it doesn't snap, it's not right. Then you maneuver the hose. I'm sorry, I forgot the camera was on. I'm supposed to be recording, I forgot. My bad. Excuse that for a minute. Once you got that in there, this is why they tell you to put some oil. Let me just put a little bit. Hold on. I'm gonna put some oil like this instead of squirting it all in there. You could probably put a little bit. I don't think it's gonna hurt because oil. Oil is oil. You put this in there and you shake it in there. That's good. Okay. Now I gotta do this one. Gotta do the big one. And this one goes here. Remember, it's gotta snap in. Doesn't fit, you must have quit. I think it's snapped in, I think. Yep, it's in. Then you gotta manipulate it. Whereas, hopefully it could reach up there. Well, not hopefully, it's gotta reach. Okay. Here it goes. All right then. Let's not forget to plug the other things back in. Where was the other hose at? This one. This one goes right here. Goes right here. Okay. This one goes back in here. Wait, is it the other way? No, this way. I think it only fits one way. Is that it? Yeah, I think I got everything back in. And that should be it, guys. There goes your installation of a catcher can on a 2010 SS Camaro. And stay tuned. I'll try to make as much as I can when I can. Thank you for tuning in. The rest is easy, you know, it's self-explanatory. Put the case back on and you should be good to go. Peace.